chasing. We're in the middle of a hurricane.
Right now, I'm the Christian. We're out here. We're chasing a tornado in South Florida. The winds are fucking 90 miles an hour. Oh shit! It just blew the fucking car. Oh shit! Face out there, just like needles on my arm, down my face. Ahead of us is the other members of our team. They actually drive into the funnel of the tornado. Everyone is evacuating Hutchinson Island right now. The winds, like I said, oh my god, it's blowing us all over the place. The winds are terrible. Lights must be on. I'm 100% if you're getting the windshield right now, you can see how bad it is, right? You can barely see the car in front of us. If you've ever seen the movie Twister, that's what this is like. Okay, we got word that at Stewart Beach, the tornado has ripped through a building. It's an old museum. We're going through it now. We're going to see what the devastation looks like.
Stingray Fishing Outfitters of Jupiter.
And it's a dolphin. This weather's so bad I can't even.
1-800-411 Office Depot.
I got to try to wipe the
Supply and Generac, Ace Hardware, and Unique Events of Stewart. Our way station sponsors. Irish
Just so you guys get a feel
Jupiter Point Marina in
what we're doing right
and
now.
Riviera Beach Marina.
We're inside of a little Toyota Corolla.
Port St. Lucie and
So we, at any moment, we can be picked up by this tornado.
Headquarters in Charities, Forgotten Soldiers, and the National Canine Cancer Foundation, South Florida chapter. And finally, to all of you for coming out and
Lower the music.
Carlin Park.
Oh, we just lost signal to the radio.
Oh my god. Don't tell me. Horrible. Don't tell me. This is what I think it is. I got in front of us. I can't find the radio. Oh shit, where's the radio, guys? Don't play this shit with me. Alright, get this. Radio to Echo 18 truck in front of us. We are going into the eye of the storm. Can you read me? Oh god, they're not coming back. Oh shit. They're looking at the museum. They must have been swept up in the tornado. Echo 108, please read in. Oh my god! Okay, now we gotta race to it, because this is getting a little bit too out of hand. As you can see how intense the wind is by the swirly snakes behind the car. Alright. We are now approaching the building that was supposedly hit by the tornado. That's where Team Tracker 4 was. They haven't been getting back to us. Let's see the devastation, what they say it is. Turn it in now. Oh my god. This can't be true. What's going on? Look at that. Look at the devastation. How powerful. Oh my god.
We missed the storm, guys.
The place has been flooded. Echo 184, please come in. Where are they? Oh my god, the trees have been ripped from the ground. Get that, the trees have been ripped from the ground. Horrifying. Oh my god. There's their van. There's Team Tracker 4's van. See if we can find them, see if they're anywhere to be found.